click inside the box. Basically we selected the layers already, and we created new layer. Then turn that new layer from normal to color. You understand? From normal to color, this new layer, and then we pick the color from the skin. Go to your paint bucket, pick the color from the skin, then apply the color. So basically this color did not work. What we just have to do is for us to Ctrl Z, come here and look for color that will fit in, you know. Okay, yeah, then we apply. Get the vibes now. It's very easy. There's no way this will be difficult for you out there. So you just get the vibes. If the color does not match, then go to color, then try to adjust it. You know, you see colors before, there's no way you will not be able to replicate that. So just, you know, do it from your imagination, then you will get it right, guys. So press your X. Simply means we just exchange the color. We take down one bottom. So if you don't know how to do it, you can do it manually. You can just come here and click this arrow here, and then you change it, you know. So create a new layer again, and that will be for the hair, you know. Turn it from normal to color. Oh, sorry guys. Select this one first, the hair part, and yeah, that's it. And create a new layer again on top, then click the t-shirt, pick the color you want, blue, yeah, turn it to color, boom, that is it. Very easy, and I believe you can do that. I know you will do it. Yeah, what you do again, this is where it gets so interesting. Move this down. I feel like moving this down and come back to this same layer. And what we just have to do is for us to remember we use our S to swap the colors, then move back the color, which you can still do it manually. We'll move back the color, then press your brush, then we'll start using our brush to align the colors together. Very, very easy, you know. Very easy. Zoom in to get that clear view of what you are doing. So if your color, if it's not like brushing it well, so I use soft round edge brush. This kind of brush, you can use it. This is what we are using right now. So then the opacity will reduce it to 45 or 47. So basically you can reduce it to 21 on your own terms. So and in this video, if I feel like it's not working well for me, all I just have to do is to increase it to maybe 50 of it. 50 is okay, and yeah, we are free to go. Let's try this one now. You're like, wow, you just press something and you're just moving it. You know, this is what you do. Very easy. Hold your space and right click. Just hold your right click and move your mouse. There's no way you will be able to move it like this on your own advantage, guys. On your own advantage. So I'm just doing it this way, reducing it, increasing the brush back, just reducing and increase. So the only way you can do it, I don't know how to explain it here. You use I don't know if it's not plus and minus. You just use that close bracket and open bracket close to O, or sorry, close to P in your keyboard. You will see it there close to your P. After your P, you know, the open and close bracket, you just that will be, so you have the advantage of increasing and reducing the brush size. So guys, I don't know how to explain that better, but I believe you understand me clearly. Just look your keyboard. After P, your open and close bracket is the way you can increase your brush and reduce your brush, guys. So all we have to do, we just have to remove this hair and check what is going on the right image and see what we can add to our color to make it look more, more amazing. So like we have some gray hair here, just have to come here and add some yellow. I'm just following my site, add some colors here. Okay, bring back the hair and apply the color in one way. Pick it back. Just this is okay. So remember, we have not added color to the eyeball. This is what we do: create a new layer, turn the new layer to color, and power clip it. And remember your pattern, go back to that old group, the group we duplicated before. Just right click inside and voila, that's what we do. Pick a color and we fit the eyeball. I always like using sky blue in that area. So all you just have to do is apply the sky blue to the eyeball. There we go. So we work on this color. Come and pick I believe you guys understand. I just go to red and then just find color that will fit this place here. Just watch. Go to your brush and apply the color. Then come to your same your color. Pick dark gray. Let's add it to the eyeball. First of all, let's observe the real image and see what is going on there. Okay, it's sky blue, it's still blue, not just Ctrl Z. So guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video, and we're almost done with this video because this is the last part we are going to be doing. We are going to be adding the light and the dark. So basically we get there and you will see it how we do it. So we are done with the eye bulb. We can just click colors from here, start making it to look more realistic. Try to cover the sharp edge of the image. And just click this dark and add it to this eyebrow to make it darker in that upper. So guys, very easy, very easy. So about the shirt, let's just work on the shirt, guys. Let's work on the shirt. Let's go to the shirt and pick this color. Let's add colors to the shirt. Just observe it and apply it. though I'm just doing it step by step. That's how they do it. Don't rush it. I don't know if there's another way of doing it, but this is the way I do it. So guys, don't rush it. Just step by step. Sorry about that. I think that is okay. Yes guys, this is okay. So let's start adding the light.